Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, first of all, we got non farm payroll news coming out today, which is definitely a very big news event. On the higher time frames, I can't really help but be bullish, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised whatsoever if it does keep on going up. Definitely, the trend is your friend as always. But it seems like the US dollar perhaps is getting ready to make a move up at the news. If the US dollar makes a move up at the news, then I would kind of expect this to make a move down at the news. Perhaps this will be like an A, this is like three waves on B, and then we'll go down for a C, and then maybe sometime next week, midweek or something, we'll get the continuation of the uptrend and the end of this ABC correction. Now, definitely be careful. Make sure you use good risk management because these big news events, non-farm payroll news events, can be a little unpredictable, and you can even be right about your direction, but then it does like a spike reversal before it actually goes in your direction. So definitely be careful, and as always, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.